TSH-600V. TSH-600V, which is developed and built by TOPEDM, is a high-speed drilling EDM with the capability of tilting head at maximum degree of 45 degrees, 8-axis CNC control. TSH-600V has X, Y, Z axes, W machine head axis, tilting head axis, and optional rotary tilt axis. It is equipped with an automatic electrode changer, which supplies 18 to 54 electrode tubes. Also, it has an automatic guide changer, which can be programmed to use 5 different guides for different sizes of electrode in a program. The rotary tilt table can rotate and tilt the workpiece to any angle in the 0.001 degree resolution, and the table, including all other axes, is controlled in one program in the same control. The rotary tilt table has the capability of holding 200 kilograms of weight to an accuracy of plus or minus 5 seconds. It is an ideal machine for aerospace applications like blades, rings, and nozzles. After setting up the part program, it runs automatically, unattended for a long time. Wide drilling diameters range from 0.15 millimeters to 6.0 millimeters. Special options make it possible to drill 12 millimeter diameter holes on any tough material at high speeds easily. The control has macro programming capabilities, full range of pickup functions, powerful editors, RS-232, and a floppy disk to upload and download the program using PC. We hold many patents in many countries for this complete and fully automatic EDM drilling system. They are widely used in the industries where automatic, fast production and reliability is a key to success, like the aerospace, automotive, watches, and precision mold industries. TSH-600V also drills blind holes on all conductive materials to an accuracy better than 0.2 millimeters. Multiple holes in the same or different sizes can meet inside of the workpiece, and different angles at different depths, all in one part, can be programmed automatically. It uses non-additive water technologies and is equipped with a complete filtration system, with programmed pressure control, receptivity control, and temperature control. It acquired customers' proof of success in the leading companies in the USA and Europe. TSH-600V is a machine designed for your job that needs automatic, reliable, and fast production.